just 10 minutes a day, and drumming will start to feel easier and easier. The first exercise is extremely important, a must-learn for beginners. Based on the different stick motions and stroke types, we divide them into full stroke, downstroke, tap stroke, and upstroke. To help you clearly see the stick movement and how the power is generated, this exercise will be played slowly. Take your time, stay focused, and follow along carefully to build proper technique. In real music performance, there are always dynamics, loud and soft changes. In drum playing, strong accents usually use full strokes and downstrokes, while softer notes use tap strokes and upstrokes. Full, down, tap, up. These are essential concepts every drummer must understand. Follow along carefully. Left hand, get ready. A tap stroke means the stick starts close to the drum head, lightly taps the surface, and returns to the starting position. An upstroke starts from the initial position, lightly taps the drum head, and then lifts up to a higher position. During practice, you'll notice that full strokes and downstrokes use more force, while tap strokes and upstrokes are lighter and more relaxed. Take a short break. Next is a combination exercise of down and upstrokes. This is a very common technique in playing. You need clear dynamics. Strong downstrokes, relaxed upstrokes. Keep the balance between loud and soft, and maintain an even tempo. Follow the rhythm and practice carefully. get ready. Stay with it, keep going. During practice, make sure each stroke produces a clean note. No extra noise. Especially with upstrokes. Even though they are softer, they must still sound clean. Take a break. Next is accent shifting. Level up. Stay focused and get ready. You might feel a bit confused right now. That's okay. Let's listen first. Down, tap, 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 down, tap, 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 down, tap, 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 down, down. The sticking stays the same, right, left, but the stroke types keep changing. If you find this challenging, you can say it out loud while playing. Down, tap, 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 down, tap, 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 down, tap, 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 down, down, tap, 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 down, tap, 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 down, tap, 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 down, down. It might feel difficult the first time. That's totally normal. Just practice it a few more times. At the end of the first round, you finish with a downstroke. And the second round also starts with a downstroke. Make sure these two downstrokes connect smoothly. Congratulations, you've completed it.